Welcome back, gadget users! In today's video, we're uncovering 20 space-saving Amazon finds to optimize tiny kitchens and small spaces. What if the solution to your kitchen chaos was hidden in plain sight? These incredible space-saving finds are the ultimate secret weapons to transform your cluttered space into an organized oasis. As always, links to all the products are in the description below. Number 20. Kitchen Utensils Hooks. Keep your utensils within reach and free up drawer space with these versatile hooks. Perfect for hanging spoons, spatulas, and more, they're a must-have for maximizing vertical storage. You can hang them directly on your kitchen walls or inside cabinets. Number 19. Electric Cleaning Brush. Make cleaning effortless with this compact electric brush. Designed to scrub away grime in tight spaces, it's a time saver for any kitchen. The electric cleaning brush takes the heavy lifting out of scrubbing, making it a powerful tool. Its ergonomic design helps you reach every nook and cranny, and the rotating brush head scrubs away grime with minimal effort. Cleaning has never been easier. Number 18. Food storage containers. Keep your pantry organized and your food fresh with these stackable airtight containers. Their clear design makes it easy to identify contents at a glance. The airtight seal ensures that your food stays fresh for longer, keeping moisture and air out while locking in freshness. These containers are also durable, making them a great investment for your kitchen. Number 17. Portable air pump. Help keep your food fresh for longer with this portable air pump. It's perfect for sealing vacuum bags and keeping items fresh. The compact size makes it easy to store and use on the go. This air pump is a handy tool for anyone looking to preserve their food for longer or reduce food waste. It's also easy to clean and maintain. Number 16. Pantry Organizer. Maximize shelf space with this adjustable pantry organizer. Ideal for cans, jars, and spices, it's a game changer for decluttering. This organizer prevents clutter and helps you easily find what you need. Whether you're organizing your pantry from scratch or just looking for a way to tidy up, a pantry organizer is a must-have for your kitchen. Number 15. Mini Waffle Bowl Maker. Create fun, edible bowls with this compact mini waffle bowl maker. It adds a touch of creativity to your cooking without taking up much countertop space. This appliance is perfect for both kids and adults, adding a whimsical touch to your cooking. The bowls are perfectly sized for serving individual portions, making them ideal for parties or special occasions. Number 14. Tea Bag Organizer. Organize your tea collection with this slim tea bag organizer. It's perfect for small drawers or counters and keeps your favorite teas easily accessible. With a variety of compartments, this organizer makes it simple to store and access your favorite teas. It ensures they're always fresh and ready to brew. Number 13. Mini Food Processor. Save space without compromising functionality with this mini food processor. It's ideal for chopping, mixing, and prepping meals in tiny kitchens. This processor helps you save time while ensuring that your meals come out perfectly every time. Its easy to clean design and small size make it perfect for apartments or small homes. Number 12. Food Chopper. Chop vegetables, fruits, and more in seconds with this compact, easy-to-clean food chopper. Its size makes it perfect for limited storage. This chopper is especially useful for those who don't have the time or patience to chop ingredients by hand. With a food chopper, you can easily create finely chopped ingredients for your dishes without the mess or hassle. Number 11. Cup Slicer. Quickly slice fruits and vegetables with this handheld cup slicer. Its unique design saves prep time and keeps your kitchen tidy. Simply press the fruit or vegetable into the slicer and it effortlessly creates uniform slices. This slicer reduces kitchen mess and is perfect for making salads, sandwiches, or garnishes. Number 10. Jewelry Cabinet with Mirror. Optimize small spaces with style using this multi-purpose jewelry cabinet with a mirror. The mirror aspect is especially useful for those in apartments or smaller homes. This cabinet doubles as a mirror and storage space for your jewelry, keeping your personal accessories organized and easily accessible. Number 9. Portable Fans. Compact and powerful, these fans ensure proper ventilation while cooking, keeping your small kitchen cool and comfortable. Whether you're baking cookies or cooking a full meal, portable fans help you maintain a pleasant temperature. They're also great for adding airflow during warmer months, ensuring your kitchen stays cool. These fans are a must-have for any kitchen, providing a convenient and effective way to stay cool while cooking. Number 8. Corner shelf. Utilize corner spaces with this sturdy, adjustable shelf. It's perfect for organizing spices, cookware, or even decorative items. Corner shelves provide extra space and add a stylish touch to your kitchen, helping to declutter and organize your area. Whether you're adding more room for spices or need an attractive spot for decorative items, corner shelves are a versatile addition to any kitchen, making the most of often wasted corner space. Number 7. Compressed air duster. Keep electronics and hard-to-reach areas clean with this eco-friendly duster. It's a practical tool for maintaining a tidy space. This duster is perfect for those who want to maintain a clean, organized kitchen without constantly wiping down surfaces. Plus, it's more efficient than using a traditional dusting cloth and helps keep your space free from allergens, making it a must-have for any kitchen or home office. Number 6. Outlet shelf. Add a convenient shelf to any outlet, perfect for holding small gadgets like kitchen timers or smartphones while they charge. The outlet shelf is a simple yet innovative way to keep your kitchen organized and make the most of your available space. It ensures your gadgets are within easy reach while giving you a clutter-free countertop, making it a practical addition to any kitchen or home office. Number 5. Foldable laptop stand. For those who like to multitask in the kitchen, a foldable laptop stand is a game changer. It allows you to easily elevate your laptop to a comfortable working height, turning your kitchen counter into a workspace. Perfect for meal planning, recipe browsing, or video calls, this stand is a must-have for anyone who works or cooks in the kitchen, providing a convenient and ergonomic way to use your laptop. Number 4. Retractable clothesline. Dry clothes indoors or outdoors without taking up floor space with this retractable line. Perfect for apartments and small homes, it provides the ideal solution for drying clothes without sacrificing space. Whether you're drying clothes indoors during the winter or hanging up laundry outside in the summer, a retractable clothesline is a practical and convenient addition to any home. Number 3. Under sink organizer. Maximize the storage under your sink with this 2-tier organizer. Adjustable to fit around pipes, it makes use of an otherwise neglected area. This organizer helps keep everything you need in one place, reducing clutter and making your undersink area functional and organized. It's a must-have for any kitchen, providing a convenient and practical way to store cleaning supplies and other essentials. Number 2. Egg separator. Simplify your baking prep with this compact and efficient egg separator. It's a small tool that makes a big difference in the kitchen. Its small size makes it easy to store, and it's a simple tool that can save you time during prep work. Perfect for bakers and home cooks, this egg separator is a must-have for anyone who frequently works with eggs. Number 1. Folding dining table. The ultimate space-saving solution for those in small apartments or homes is a folding dining table. This versatile table can be transformed from a compact console to a spacious dining table in seconds. Whether you need a table for meal prepping, entertaining guests, or casual dining, this folding table adapts to your needs, providing convenience and flexibility. It's a must-have for anyone living in a small space. So, which of these kitchen gadgets will you try first? Let us know your favorite in the comments.